How to turn on or turn off the feature of silent play in RedNote app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open RedNote app, log in with your account details. Click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner and go to settings. In setting, you simply need to head toward general setting. After that, scroll below. Under function, you see the option of silent play. To simply turn on this feature, toggle on silent play. After that, once you open this application, videos will be turned on silently. If you want to increase the volume, you can use the default setting. And just like that, you will be able to turn on or turn off silent play in RedNote app. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.